If your car's acting weird when it shifts gears, like jerking, hesitating, or not shifting at all, then this video is for you. Because today, we're talking about the symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid and how to spot the problem before it turns into something expensive. So first, what's a shift solenoid anyway? Think of it like a small electric valve inside your transmission. Its job is to control the flow of transmission fluid and tell your car when to shift gears. When it starts to go bad, your car's shifting becomes, well, confused. You'll usually find the shift solenoids inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body, which sits just behind the transmission oil pan. One of the first things you'll notice is hard or delayed shifts. You might press the gas and the car revs up high before it finally shifts, or it might slam into the next gear like someone hit you from behind. That's your transmission trying to shift, but the solenoid isn't opening or closing properly. Next, your car might get stuck in one gear, usually second or third, or go into what's called limp mode. It's your car's way of protecting the transmission from damage. If that happens, don't keep driving it hard. Get it scanned right away. An OBD2 scanner can tell you which solenoid is acting up. If your car feels like it's confused, shifting up and down at random, or jerking between gears, that's another classic sign. Sometimes it even feels like the car can't decide which gear it wants to stay in. You might also see the check engine light or transmission warning light pop up. A diagnostic scan could show trouble codes like P0750, P0755, or P0760. Those usually point straight to a faulty shift solenoid. And if your transmission starts slipping, like the engine's revving but the car's not speeding up, that's a big red flag. This can happen when a solenoid can't hold enough pressure inside the transmission. If you're noticing any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Sometimes the fix is simple, replacing a bad solenoid or cleaning out the valve body. But if you wait too long, it can damage the whole transmission. So grab your OBD2 scanner, check for those codes, and get ahead of the problem before it gets expensive.
If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.